Welcome back to Business Mathematics 1 MA 1103. I'm Eric from Mathematics Study Program, Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Sciences, ITB. So for today, we are going to discuss about probability and statistics. So this is the outline of our lecture, that is random variable, examples on random variables, and later on we will discuss about the expected values, variance, and standard deviation of a random variable. So let's get started. We can start with what is random variable. So this is the definition of random variables. Let A be the event the number falling uppermost is even on rolling a die once. Then probability of A is 3/6, that is a half. Notice that P is a function from an event to a real number between 0 and 1. So this is not a usual function because the domain is an event. So what we do, we want to quantify this domain. So we define the random variable that relates an event with a real number. On rolling a die, we can define random variable x as the number falling uppermost when rolling a die once. Okay, and the possible value of x are certainly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. As a consequence, we have the probability x equals 1, that this corresponds to the number falling uppermost at rolling a die once is 1. Okay, the number falling uppermost on the rolling of a die once is 2. Both of it have 1/6 the probability, and we can play the same game and we have this probability, okay, for all of the random variable. Okay, and we can make a table such as follows. The left hand side is the random variables, the right hand side is the probability random variables at given x, little x. Okay, this table is we usually call the probability distribution table. One of the characteristics of probability distribution table is the sum of the probability must be 1. So all of this, if you sum it up, it will have 1 as its summation. So when tossing two coins once, we can define random variable x as the number of heads that appears at when we are tossing two coins. Okay, so then the possible value of x are 0, 1, and 2. What 0 means? 0 means that the number of head appears when tossing two coins once is 0. So it means tail, tail. What about 1? It means when we are tossing two coins once, the number of head appears is just 1. So it means the event tail head or head tail. What about 2? If we have 2, so when we are tossing two coins, we have head, 2 head. Okay, and the probability distribution table is given by this one. When x equals 0, don't forget it corresponds to the event tail, tail. X equals 1 correspond to the event head, tail, and tail, head. And x equals 2 correspond to the event head, head. This is the probability. Okay. And what about when tossing three coins once? We can define the random variable x as the number of tails appears. And you can try this on your own. What is the possible value of x? And what is the probability distribution table? Okay, yeah? Try this on your own. What about when we are rolling to die? We can define x as the sum of number falling uppermost at both die. What is the possible value of x, and what is the probability distribution table. Don't forget, we can define x as another one that is difference of the number falling uppermost at both die. What does it mean? So the first one, we will look at the examples of random variables at a real event. In a lottery, 10,000 tickets are sold for $2 each. One first prize of $3,000, for second prize of $1,000, third prize of $500 and 20 consolation prizes of $100 are to be awarded. Okay, and then if the random variable x denotes the net winning, determines the probability distribution table. What should we do first? We have to know what is the possible value of x. What is the possible value of the random variable x? So the random variable x denotes the net winning. So the possible number is we didn't win at all. That is 0 minus 2 because we have to pay for every ticket that we ticket. And if it has consolation prize, the net winning is 100 minus 2. What about if you won the third prize? The net winning is 500 minus 2. What about if you win the second prize? The net winning is 1000 minus 2. And if you win the first prize, your net winning is 3000 minus 2. Okay, so this is all are the possible value of the random variables. And do you know how to compute the probability of this? Probability of minus 2? Probability when the random variable is 98, probability when the random variable is 498, probability of the random when the random variable is 998, and the probability of the random variable 2998. Okay, you can check this. Maybe the first one, the easier one, when x equals 2998. So it's just 1 out of 10,000 tickets. Okay, what about this one, the second prize? Okay, this is 4 out of 10,000. This one, the third prize, this is 5 out of 10,000. The consolation prize, that is 20 out of 10,000. And the last one, if we do not win anything, 9,970 divided by 10,000. Okay, so that's the example of random variables. Next, we are going to talk about the expected value and random variables. Okay, thank you very much.